Prime Minister Narendra Modi will today be chairing an all-party meet to put forth the government's legislative agenda for the budget session of Parliament. This meet comes a day after 20 opposition parties boycotted the President's address to express their solidarity with the protesting farmers. The customary meeting is important to discuss and decide the agenda and smooth functioning of Parliament. But the opposition, this includes the Congress, has increasingly targeted the centre over the farmer protest. Rahul Gandhi accused the centre of ignoring the demands of farmers and warned that the agitation may spread if their demands are not met. Hitting back and responding to Rahul, Union Minister Smriti Irani accused him of inciting violence and questioned his silence over the 300-odd cops who were injured during the Republic Day violence.
प्रधानमंत्री को ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि ये आंदोलन यहां रुकेगा। ये आंदोलन मैं बता रहा हूं, ये आंदोलन किसानों से शहरों के अंदर जाएगा, क्योंकि सिर्फ किसान गुस्सा नहीं है। हिंदुस्तान में अब लाखों युवा हैं जिनसे इन्हीं 5-10 लोगों ने, प्रधानमंत्री ने रोजगार छीना है। उनको भविष्य नहीं दिख रहा है।
Such is the depravity of Rahul Gandhi's politics, that instead of asking for peaceful resolution, he has pointedly said that हिंसा अब शहरों में स्लम तक फैलेगी। किस प्रकार की राहुल गांधी तैयारी कर कर बैठे हैं हिंसा को फैलाने के लिए, उसकी जानकारी तो मेरे पास है नहीं, लेकिन हां, उनका मन क्या है, उनकी मंशा क्या है, आज उन्होंने स्वयं अपनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में इसको उजागर कर दिया है।
Taking this across to Rahul Srivastava, National Affairs Editor, for more on what's expected in the all-party meet. Rahul, good morning. There's no doubt that the opposition, after boycotting the President's address yesterday, is going to be putting a lot of pressure during this all-party meet for a discussion on the farmers' protest. Is that something the government will agree to?
Usually this meeting between the Prime Minister and all opposition leaders and all leaders of all parties in Parliament takes place ahead of the Parliament session. So it acts as a kind of an introductory element where the government discusses the kind of legislative agenda it wants to take, and the opposition can put forth all the issues that it wants discussion on and stand on several issues facing politics or the legislative businesses. But this time around, it's happening one day after the battle lines have been drawn. Now, battle lines drawn in terms of the opposition, as you said, boycotting the President's address. With this, one thing is clear, what happened yesterday vis-a-vis the farm laws and the kind of political statements which have come, that the session is going to get dominated by the farm laws issue. Second, very importantly, the opposition is seeing the Parliament session as yet another stage from where they can wage a battle against the government on the farm bills, and that is why the session is going to be stormy.
Okay.
What we are being told that the government will try to convince that if the opposition does want any discussion on the farm laws, the President has mentioned the farm laws, so a debate can take place during the 10 hours which have been fixed as far as the debate on the President's address is concerned. But I don't think the opposition is going to agree on that. They want a separate discussion. Also, importantly, the government has some ordinances. Among them, the very important one is regarding the pollution for the NCR, which directly connects to the protesting farmers regarding the stubble burning. The government will have to get all this business through, and then, of course, the important budget.
Okay, we'll be tracking the highlights of the all-party meet. Rahul, thank you very much for joining us this morning.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.